In today's recipe, we are going to prepare crispy cauliflower in air fryer under 20 minutes. This air fryer recipe is a game changer using only a handful of ingredients to create a flavorful and crispy cauliflower dish, which is perfect as a side dish or for snacking. So here I have taken a medium-sized cauliflower. After removing the leaves, break it down into florets. Make sure that all the florets are of uniform size. This is to ensure uniform cooking. These are the remaining small sized cauliflower florets, which I am not going to use in this recipe, but this can be used to prepare any other dishes. So I am putting these aside and let's get started. In a bowl, take about 2 cups of cauliflower florets. Add some hot water till all the florets are submerged in the water. Then, with the help of a fork, gently fluff all the florets and let them soak for about 5 minutes. This step helps to remove dirt, debris and also to soften the florets a little bit. So, it's been 5 minutes. So, let's strain the cauliflower florets. Here, I am adding the florets into a colander. After the excess water is removed, place them onto a clean cloth or a napkin and dab them gently to remove any excess moisture. After this step, add all the florets into a mixing bowl. Then add some corn flour. Fluff them gently so that all the florets are coated uniformly well with the corn flour as shown in the video. Now put this aside. In a bowl, take about 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. These have a drier and flakier consistency than the regular breadcrumbs. To this, add garlic powder, onion powder, peri peri masala, salt, black pepper powder. Mix everything well and put this aside. Now, crack an egg and whisk the egg till it is fluffy. Now dip the cauliflower florets one by one in the egg, then transfer it into the breadcrumbs mixture and make sure that all the florets are uniformly coated in the breadcrumbs mixture. So here I am transferring all the prepared cauliflower florets into an air fryer basket and I am letting them cook at 160 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. After 7 minutes, flip all the florets and let them cook for the remaining 8 minutes. That's it. Super crispy cauliflower florets are ready. Enjoy and subscribe for more.